Get ready to talk. Get ready to talk. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. It's Hannah here. If you're new, welcome to this channel. So it is day 5 of 12 days of Christmas. So today I decided to do a really bronzy look. It's quite easy to do, to be fair, with the eyes because I use tape. I kind of cheat. I don't think it's cheating, but you get what I mean. If you want to see how I created this whole look, follow it along. I'll grab a snack, grab a drink, grab a cup of tea. We're Yorkshire here. So I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C8 today. Now I normally don't use this as a base, but I've got because I've got fake tan on basically. I need a darker base and I like a little bit of a darker underbrow at the moment. 252 MAC brush, and I'm just going to go underneath and carve the brow out. I feel like it makes it look a lot more smoky. I see a lot of makeup artists do this now and it's like really like dark on top and I'm like, oh, I like that. The palette we're going to be going in is the BPERFECT palette, and we're going in with this colour here called Basic. And all I'm going to do is literally just swirl it in there with that colour. Just swirling it right in the centre and then working my way onto the outer as well. So I'm not doing any like winged effect or anything because that tape's already there. It's making that winged look for us, so we're just literally buffing it on as I would usually. And I like to take this really up to the brow to make it look super smoky. And then go really in the inner corner as well, up to the brow. And that's your first colour on. It looks a little bit weird at first. And then this one called Intuition. I'm using that on a Buff and Blend BB22 brush. This brush is beautiful. So I'm going to focus it on the outer corner and blend it back in. So we're just deepening up that outer corner a little bit. And then we're going to go in the crease with that colour. And we're just doing really circular movements and back and forth. Just getting that product really on there. Just going for a really nice smoky look. I'm really getting that crease. I'm going to take over it in the palette, just like so. And go a little bit higher than the crease as well. So I'm just packing it on, buffing it back and forth. Just so you have that really nice bronzy effect. I'm going to take the black from the palette. I'm going to create, this is where we're going to create the wing liner. So I'm literally going to pop it on the outer edge, going back and forth and slowly working my way up. Because it is a black, I'm not going to put too much of this on. And I'm going to go in with Intuition, which is that really dark brown. And then I'm going to go straight on top of that. Kind of blend it out a little bit, just going back and forth. This is a Morphe M213 brush. What I'm kind of doing is making like a straight line as well on top. To make a little bit of a thicker liner. I'm just taking that brown colour, that darkest brown Intuition. There we go. Just going to take any buffing or blending brush. This is a synthetic one by Spectrum. This is a A06 brush. Just make sure you be careful when you come into your wing liner, that's all. I'm going to take any kind of black pencil and just pop it in the waterline. This is MAC FELINE. And I'm going to pop that right in there. The black from the palette and smoke it underneath with a Morphe M213 brush. And then I'm going to take Intuition, which is that darkest brown, and go straight on top of that. And then I'm going to take the Buff and Blend brush, is the BB22 brush, and I'm going to take Haul and Basic mixed together. So that's the lightest brown and the medium brown. And I'm just going to buff underneath there. So it's the colours we use here basically. Doesn't that look so satisfying now? I only use tape if I'm doing like winged liner kind of thing with eyeshadow. If not, I'll just literally take a wipe and I'll wipe it off if I want to do like more of a winged out look. But I feel like with tape, when you're doing wing liner, it's just easier, guys. It honestly is. Okay, so now on to the skin. So for primer, I'm going to be using MAC Strobe Cream in Peachlight. I don't know why I do this. I'm like, is it? Every time I put nails on, I'm like, I'm using this product. So this is technically not a primer, but it's beautiful, so I'm going to use it as a primer. I'm going to get my mirror towards my actual face. I feel like I'm just doing it blind. I'm going to be using the Bond. What is wrong with me? This is what happens when I've got nails and I'm annoying as shit. But I love it. So this is the Too Faced Wellness Way foundation in the colour Golden Beige. Golden Beige is like, mwah, love the colour. I'm going to strike that on the face first. I'm going to be using the PC19 Peaches and Cream brush. This is amazing for foundation. Like, everybody raves about it. Like, look how beautiful that looks. That looks so nice. I'm so glad I decided to put fake tan on my face last night. I was like, maybe I shouldn't fake tan my face. And I was like, maybe I should. Oh, like, thank God I did, because I look a bloody mess. Look at that bloody foundation in my nail. I love this foundation because it's like medium to full coverage and it's super dewy, it's super glowy. It's beautiful. Let's go straight on the face. Oh, I love this colour. Golden Beige is just like the one. I feel like it's the most popular colour. I even like, I'll use this colour in my kit and people are like, oh my god, what is that foundation colour you put on me? It's beautiful. I'm like, it's bloody Golden Beige. And then I'm going to go in with the Wellness Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is the shade Vanilla. It might be a little bit light, but we can work with it. Oh my god, I thought I got them on my bottoms then. Every time I use a product, oh my god, I've got it on my bed in, but then take it out, I have to do it slowly because if not, I do it really aggressively and it literally goes everywhere. I'm like, oh. Now I get it on my bottoms, and my mum's just washed these bottoms for me. My mum still does my washing for me. I love my mum. She's like, you need to start learning how to wash your own stuff, Hannah. I'm like, but you wash it for me. So I'm just going to blend that in. And I always like to go a little bit lower and then blend it up. Just so we've got not too much underneath the eye, because it creases really, really easily, concealer. Because I make a lot of facial expressions. I love this sponge. This is the Morphe one. I only got it because Jacqueline Hill was like, you need to get it. It's good for baking as well, which it is really good for baking for that side. Like, even though I never bloody bake. Pop that on the forehead and the nose. This sponge is so nice. I don't know if I prefer this one to the Real Techniques one, you know, guys. And I've had this for quite a while now, but I don't use it that often because I always used to use the Real Techniques one. But I like how, this is going to sound ridiculous, spongy it is. I'm going to use a cream bronzing stick or foundation stick, whatever you want to call it. So this is the Infallible. I've used this every single day, I think, you know. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 210 Cappuccino stick. So just going to use that. It's cream contour. I always put, oh, I've put that one right lower than that one. Have I ever done that for? This is the Peaches and Cream PC25 brush. You're probably sick of me mentioning bloody Peaches and Cream, aren't you? I'm just going to buff this one a little bit more up because why have I done that one so low? I don't even know. Why did I leave that one right low for? I feel like I'm just like really distracted because I know that like my mum and my dad are in like the next room and I'm like, oh god, they can hear me. I've actually been doing YouTube for 3 years now, so oh my god, yay! I am getting back into YouTube, as you can tell, guys. 12 Days of Christmas is going to kick me off to the good start. Look at that muscle though. Oh my god, wait. Have I not 10 minutes? Oh mate! What's happened to my tan? I haven't got the biggest appetite at the moment and I'm like, well, I can't be going to the gym if I don't bloody eat. I am eating, but I feel like I'm not eating enough to go to the gym. And I feel like at the same time, I'm like, because of my car injuries, sometimes I push myself too much at the gym and I hurt for a while and I'm like, maybe I should have a little bit of time off. But then I feel bad for having time off. I can't bloody win, guys. I don't think, I feel like when I go to the gym I like to go heavier and heavier and heavier, basically on weight, like get heavier with my weights. But then I can't go heavier on my weights sometimes because it makes my injury worse. So I've just kicked off at my dad because he's doing my head in. He literally will go outside and he'll walk back and forth. Open door, closed door, open door, closed door. Go in the bathroom, closed door. Oh my god, where are you going? What are you doing? Oh, I have little patience with my family sometimes. I'm like, what are you doing? Like, I've told him I'm filming and I've said, oh, can you please just stay downstairs? We need to come upstairs. Just be quiet, please. Like, oh yeah, that's fine. And then my dad always seems to come upstairs and makes a lot of noise in the background and I'm like, has anyone else been going through mood swings? Because oh my god, my temper at the moment, my hormones are very like, at the moment. I'm going to take the Beauty Bakerie powder, I'm just going to tap it on the top part there and I'm going to use that sponge to bake. Oh, get that right underneath there, yeah. Oh wow, that is actually so satisfying to look at. Oh, I need to stop doing that though. Oh, that's got a little bit patchy there. I think the shape of this sponge is just amazing though. So I'm going to use a new product I've never used before, the Gimme Sun. So this is the medium deep colour. I got this for, how much was it? £10.50. Got 6 grams in it. I got it when there was 30% off for Black Friday. Oh my god, look at that colour though. Because I feel like it's going to be very pigmented. I used this in my Makeup 1-to-1 in February, which were a while back, so I'm just going to like really softly put that on. Oh my god, yeah, it is quite strong. Do little circular motions. Brush that over this part of the eye, the outer corner of the eye, and then up to the temples a tiny bit. Because people have told me if I do this, it'll make it look a little bit more smoky in my eye. Oh, it does. I like that. It looks lovely, that. Studio Fix powder and C30. I need to order another one of these because that's a joke. I'm going to use a Peach Sun Cream PC04 brush. I'm going to dust this off with that. Oh my god, that actually went so nice. Normally I wouldn't powder around this area though because that's where I'm going to highlight and I want to be really, really glowy. But it's going to powder all the skin. Primark Hydrate Spray, £4. They had loads in stock, so I bought 6 of them. I'm like, oh my god, it is the best hydrating spray ever, honestly. It actually sprays out really nice as well. Don't, I just tasted it then. I want my long hair back, not my long hair but like to here. But then I get to summer and I'm like, I want my short hair. Also, when you've got short hair like this, I have to straighten it and like almost curl it in at the bottom like this. Oh my god, that scared the crap out of me. Now my favourite blushes at the moment are the MAC Extra Dimension blushes. This is in just a pinch. They are the most beautiful blushes, honest to god guys. Like, if you want a glowy skin, these are the nicest blushes. I used to use matte blushes and there's nothing wrong with them. It's just that if you want a glowy skin and you put in like, I feel like they look a lot harsher, the colour. That's what it is. Because when you've got a glowy blush, you've got a little bit of colour, but it's not too much and it blends in with your highlight. I finally purchased another Doll Beauty Shine Bright highlighter. Now hopefully I won't destroy this one and I'll just let you see how beautiful it is. Such a nice glossy highlight. The formula is just beautiful. I love it. Under lash mascara. Oh, how beautiful is that? P. Louise does this. I'm like, okay, so if P. Louise does it, I trust her. Just makes your brows look a little bit darker. I'm going to use the Morphe Bite Me lip liner. That is literally like MAC Cork, but so much cheaper. MAC Peach Stock, one of my favourite nudes by MAC. And I'm going to take Peach Sun Cream Bambi Lip Gloss. Oh my god, it smells amazing. Okay, so this is the finished look now. I've sorted the brows out. I basically literally just wiped them off and then put some foundation back up and then put false lash maximizer through them because I just didn't like how dark my brows were. I don't like my brows to look dark. I like them to look fluffy and full. Some glow on the chest as well because we need to be nice and glowy. I just use the same highlighter and I put a little bit of bronzer on as well. I feel like I'm going out, but I'm not going out. Like the bottoms I'm wearing are like proper chilled bottoms. So this was day 5 of 12 days of Christmas. I hope you guys have been tuning in every single day. Let me know what you think so far in the comments below. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed to see the rest of the videos. Yeah, and I shall see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Just got nails on.